Welcome. In today's video, we're walking you through the updated steps to add your email to Roblox on your Android device. This is a simple process that enhances your account security and helps with account recovery. Let's dive right in. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look for the More option located at the bottom right of your screen. Give that a tap to access additional settings. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and tap on it. You'll find a variety of options here, but we're going to focus on Account Info. Now, tap on Account Info to open it up. You should see an option that says Add Email. Go ahead and tap on that. It's time to enter your email address. Make sure it's one you can access easily. After typing in your email, simply tap Add Email. Finally, you'll need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Roblox and follow the instructions provided to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully added your email to Roblox on your Android device. This not only helps keep your account secure, but also makes it easier to recover your account if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.